Imagine having a great video idea, trying HeyGen or DID, and realizing it costs $60 a month. So you search everywhere, hoping to find a free way that actually works. Well, your search ends today. In this video, I'm going to reveal the best 100% free AI avatar tools you can start using right now. Let's dive in. First, we need a high-quality character image. Head over to ChatGPT and use the GPT Image 2 model to generate your realistic AI avatar. Once your character image is ready, download it to your device. This will be our base avatar. Now for our first method, open FreeLipSync.com. You'll find all the links in the description. If you're looking for a free AI avatar video generator that delivers high-quality AI lip sync with zero watermarks, this platform is fantastic. Simply upload the avatar image we created. To add audio, you have three options: input text, upload audio, or record audio. If you choose input text, you can clone your own voice, select a pre-made voice preset, or use your saved voice profiles. If you already have a voiceover file, simply upload it. Select max mode for the highest render quality, then click Generate Free. Now, take a look at this generated video preview. Imagine having a great video idea, trying HeyGen or DID, and realizing it costs $60 a month. So you search everywhere, hoping to find a free way that actually works. If you're happy with the result, simply log in with your email to download your clip. Don't worry if the downloaded video resolution looks a bit low. Stay watching until the end, because I'm going to show you a secret method to upscale this video to 4K Ultra HD for free. Quick break. If you're finding this video valuable, drop a comment below with the letters FreeLipSync, which stands for Free Learning Academy. It really helps the channel grow. Now, let's move to method 2. If you want a free AI video generator that maintains character and voice consistency across multiple scenes, we're going to use Google Vids. Open Google Vids, click AI Video, and select Animate. Upload your avatar image, set the model to VEO 3.1, and choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts. Next, copy the exact animation prompt provided in the video description, paste it into the prompt box, add your dialogue script, and hit Generate. Take a look at how naturally the avatar animates in this first scene preview.
Quick break. If you're finding this video valuable, drop a comment below with the letters FLA, which stands for Free Learning Academy. It really helps the channel grow.
Now, to make your video longer while keeping your talking AI avatar and voice perfectly consistent, click the Extend button, add your next prompt and script, and generate Scene 2. Let me tell you a little secret. Not long ago, I was exactly where you are, drowning in $60 subscriptions, searching everywhere, and finding nothing that actually worked. So I stopped searching and started testing. Every algorithm trick, every hidden tool, every AI secret the big channels never share. And now, everything I've discovered lives in one place. My Inner Circle on Patreon. You get my exact Python scripts, automation tools, and video configs ready to download. Underground strategies to go viral on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. My $1,000 prompt vault. Copy, paste, instant professional results. Deep dive tutorials that are too advanced for public YouTube. And every video, 24 to 48 hours early. Completely ad-free. All of it for just $7 a month. Less than your morning coffee. Stop watching the future. Start building it. Join the elite crew today. Link in the description. Now, as promised, here is how to upscale your low-resolution video into a crisp, high-definition clip using CapCut Desktop. Open CapCut and import your downloaded video. Go to the adjustment section in the top left corner, add a custom adjustment layer, and stretch it across your entire timeline. Open the Curves panel and adjust the contrast curve as shown on screen. Next, add a blur effect onto the adjustment layer. And export this file. Now, import that newly exported video back into CapCut and place it directly on top of your original video track. Go to Blend Options, select Color Burn, and lower the opacity slightly. Next, add a solid white background layer above it. Change its blend mode to overlay and reduce the opacity. Select your original video clip and adjust the exposure, contrast, saturation, highlights, shadows, sharpen, and clarity until it looks balanced. Finally, export the video, re-import it into CapCut, click Enhance Visuals, select Enhance Quality, and set it to Ultra HD. Once processing is complete, your video is production ready. Take a look at the final enhanced result. Imagine having a great video idea, trying HeyGen or DID, and realizing it costs $60 a month. So you search everywhere, hoping to find a free way that actually works. Well, your search ends today. In this video, I'm going to reveal the best 100% free AI avatar tools you can start using. And that wraps up today's guide. If this helped you learn how to create a talking AI avatar for free, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can also join our free Patreon community linked below for more exclusive tools and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.